Hello friends, good evening. So in today's video, we'll discuss a very simple time cycle but very effective. It has been taught by both GAN and it is a part of financial astrology also. This cycle is called as the Jupiter cycle, and in GAN studies it is called as GAN square of 144. Now 144 is a very important number, both if we think from the perspective of mathematics and or if we think from the perspective of astrology. Why is that? I'll just explain you. First, from the astrological perspective, like if you study Jupiter is the fifth largest planet in the Jupiter is the fifth planet in the solar system, and it revolves around the sun in approximately 11.86 years, right? So which is almost 12. And if you see the Earth, we have 12 months in a year, and if you do 12 into 12, that is called as the calculations will come as 144. So 12 months in a year, 12 months, just do a simple calculation, 12 multiplied by 12. It will come as 144. So this is part of Earth, I mean like the number of months in a year. And it is part on Jupiter also 11.86 years. So that also comes as 144. So 144 is a very important number. Now what we have to do is you can calculate the multiple. So this 144 is one rotation. Now if I add 144 plus 144, it will come to 288. So this is second rotation. 432 is third, 576, 720, so on and so forth. So you can just add it and you can get these levels. So, and even the same numbers can be applied in market, like any stock near 288, 432, 144. This gives some very nice and decent moves in the market. Like we shorted Bhale. I'll just give you some simple examples how these numbers also work very nicely in the market. So let's come here. Let's open the chart of BHEL. Insert. I'll insert a horizontal line. I'll put that line at 144. See here, the market it corrected exactly from 174. Or let's take another example of REC. Now PSU stocks are in limelight, so I'm taking those examples. Let me apply another line at 144. So this Jupiter cycle can be used in both. Uh, you know, See here 144. Once 144 crossed, there was a big rally. It can be used on any time frame. Any price levels can be used on any instrument as an example. So for Nifty, again this gives you some decent moves. So 18,000, 19,728, 19,872, 19,584, 19,296. These are the levels which can be used in Nifty also, right? So this is a very important, and this can be even be used in intraday also. How is that? Find a stock like it made a bottom somewhere here. So from there you can calculate 144 bars, right? If I go to a 4-minute chart, if you want to find intraday reversals, this is again, I mean, but you have to wait for this. So we have our programs also, time cycle scanner, which will do that. But like see here, 6 September, I think it made another low somewhere here. Yeah, we need to find a major low. So like this was a major low on 1st September. You come here, click on date range and just calculate a 144th bar, 120. See here. This was a kind of perfect top, and from there we had a small correction. Now it's a 4-minute chart. You cannot expect a big move. And similarly, you can apply on 30 minutes. Higher the time frame, higher will be the targets. Lower the time frame, lower will be the targets. Right. So if I go to a weekly chart, now if we see here, somewhere here in 2018, it made a bottom. Right. So you can come here, click on date range, and you can directly calculate 144th week. There definitely you should see some really nice move. So 140, 142, one, see here, perfect, almost a perfect bottom, and from there such a nice rally came into the stock, right? And it can be applied on any instrument of your choice of I can even I'll quickly show you on Nifty also. This is a weekly chart. Now this can be applied in two ways, either We can apply it on a what we say on a calendar days or on the trading days also. So let's go like somewhere here we made a bottom at 7511 in 2016. Let's go here again, click on date range and look for 144th week. Yeah, it made very next week it made a bottom, and from there a good rally. After 144 you can continue to 288. Just double of 144 will be 288. So this 286, 280, yeah. So from there, a small doji, and from there a good rally came, right? So this is a simple way. Now, this we are doing on trading days. Similarly, you can create an Excel which is based on calendar days. So simple examples, because these stocks were in limelight. So if you can see here, PFC 17 July 2018, it made a bottom, and from there, if you add 144 cycle, it will give you this date. Let me quickly show you that. Let's take one example of PFC. So you can see here PFC gave a date on 1st, PFC was again on 8th, and the coming date of PFC on 20th, and REC is showing you on 7/9/2023, 7 September. So let me quickly show you. This is our scanner which we have built over different stocks, and let me quickly show you about PFC first. Yeah, here it is PFC. So the reference was at 1st July, 17 July, and 20th Feb. So we just take the major high and low, put it in our sheet. 17 July, see here 17 July, and here is our date 1st September. It is 1872, just multiples of this, right? So if you add, the concept here is just add this date with 1872, you'll get 1st September 2023. It is as simple as that, no rocket science. And these are major bottoms, right? Similarly for REC, so this is our own scanner, so I can search for any given stock, any given date, and it will give me. So let's quickly watch 1st September, 8th September on PFC, and let's see what has happened there. So this is PFC chart. Let me go to daily. 1st September. Let's first see what happened on 1st September. Yeah, this was for September, a perfect bottom, right? And what we can do is we use our GAN levels also. See here. So this is what we call as price and time squaring. See, this is the purple lines are GAN trend change levels. So it made a doji here. So we can go long. Again, it made a double bottom here and just shoot it up. So 289, our target was this 280. Around this point, which is 256, my target was around 289. About 289, it is closing. Then we can see a move all the way towards this level, which is around 323, right? So this way you can combine both price and time. And similarly for REC, we all know that yesterday it was almost up 10%. So with these simple techniques, you can capture some very nice moves in the market. See here again, this was again price and time squaring 256, and it just moved up. These are smaller targets also which we can do. So yeah, so this is how you can use this indicator. Now let me quickly show you the dates for the uh, coming week. So coming week will be around starting from 10th of September till 16th. So yeah, these are the stocks which you can keep an eye on. One minute. Let me clear everything. Yeah. So these are the stocks which you can keep an eye on. So let me just quickly show you what are the stocks which are coming. Uh, Starting from 10th, 11th, there are no stock. 13, 14, 15, 16th. Yes. So these are the Adani is on 16th, the Bajaj Finserv is on 13th. Let me just sort it out in order so it becomes easy. Yeah. So BHAL is on 10th. So BHAL is something which you can keep an eye on. L&T, M&M is on 10th. These are the stocks which are on 10th. So this way you can, these are the stocks which you can keep an eye on for the coming week. So yeah, very simple strategy, how it can be used. Very important Jupiter cycle. So we have discussed it. Kindly practice this and let me know if you have any questions. It can be applied both on intraday and positional as I've shown here. And that's about it. Thank you. Bye bye.